to share with you a step-by-step method to reflect, plan, and succeed and make 2025 your best year yet. We are going to lay out groundwork for effective goal-setting methods that actually work. Because let's face it, 2025 is here and it's time to design our dream life. Plan the new era of you. Let's dive right in. Step 1, 2025 wrap. Meaning, let's take a moment to summarize and learn from the past. This is a very crucial step because this is going to help you understand what worked for you, what did not work for you, and what can help you grow. So here are some questions that you need to answer. Feel free to pause and jot this down. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. I like to make videos on practical, actionable steps on self-care, self-love, productivity, glam, and all of that fun stuff, so stay tuned. Number 1, what are your best memories of 2024? This is important, okay? So just take some time, go on social media, do whatever you have to recap and revisit what happened in 2024. This is going to help you revisit all the moments and get to the other prompt easily. Think month-wise and make a list. Now this list can look something like this. My birthday surprise, which was too good, was in Feb. The time when I went to the Manali trip, or the times when I manifested different things from my vision board, and so on. Number 2, what are your accomplishments? This can be as small as handling a situation really well or as big as landing your dream job. There is no limit. 5, 8, 10. Just write down everything that made you feel like a winner. This will really make you feel good, proud about yourself, boost your confidence and trust on yourself. Number 3, the lessons I learned. Now everyone has their share of setbacks. Wise people learn from their mistakes. So make sure you think through and make a list of things that didn't go well. So think, what are the things that you should have done some other way? The goals that were unachieved and why? The why is important here. Number 4, what habits help me? Now these are things that you would like to carry forward from 2024 to 2025. Things that made you feel more in touch with yourself. This could be simple things like keeping your desk clean, playing a sport every week, or having that little dance party during workout that you love. These habits can also be as small as drinking water as soon as you wake up every day, or making sure that you finish a book every 2 months. Once you're done with answering all of these prompts, you would have a good foundation to start working on for 2025 and a clear answer to what is best left behind. I did this earlier and this was so eye-opening, and some things I didn't even realize I was so proud of popped up. Step 2, Wheel of Life. Now a Wheel of Life is a tool that helps you identify areas that you thrive in and areas that you might need work on and where you want to project your energy in 2025. The Wheel of Life divides your life into areas like career, relationship, family, hobbies, finance, recreation, spirituality, etc. And it kind of looks like this. You can pause this video and take a screenshot of this and work with me. The idea is to rate each of the area on the scale of 1 to 10. Then draw or mark a circle where you stand and then write down the score in the boxes given below. Honestly, mine was a little wobbly at certain spots, but that's okay. The exercise really shows you where you focus your energy really. Once you're done rating yourself, you will have a little more clarity as to what are the areas that you're clearly not happy with and where you want to really focus your energies. Make a list of your identified areas. That's where you start from. Step 3, the mindset prep, aka the yearly release ritual. Okay, now this might sound lame to you, but it's mighty. The effect it has on you. So what you need to do is take a pen and a paper, like old school pen and paper, no digital journals allowed, go classic. And what you do is you write down what is it that upset you in 2024? What would you like to get rid of in 2025? And write down anything or anyone that makes you feel guilty or regrets you have, things that are holding you back. Put every damn detail on paper. Your fears, your traumas, everything really. Now, once you have written everything down, write exactly what I say to you right now. In 2025, I want to be free of all these things. I want to leave these behind and move forward and reset myself for success. In this new era of me, there is no space for these things. And that's it. Burn it. Yeah, you heard me right. Burn it. Or tear the paper into millions of pieces. How many ever times you can tear it, just tear that paper. Tearing it or burning it will help you visualize those emotions, release out that it's done. It's in the past now. You can move forward from it and see the transformation, how it makes you feel. Finally, you will feel the burden lift. Step 4, invest in your emotional bank account. Okay, let's look at emotions as currency for a bit. And every time you do something, you spend from your bank account, which is your emotional bank. So you need to do things that will help you refill it. Make a list of things that give you a high. For example, grabbing a coffee from a cafe or having that 15-minute workout dance party every time you work out. A kick-ass Spotify playlist to start your day. Anything really. you. Things that make you feel happy and more in touch with yourself. Things that can help you start your day on a positive note. Affirmations maybe. So make a list that give you a high and keep it saved on your notes app and save it. This is going to help you times when you need that little lift or you want to give yourself that pat on the back that you know what, you did well and you deserve this. Because here's the thing, whether 2024 was the best year or a total roller coaster, it's all a part of our story. Every high, every low, it's all helping us grow. So let's use it to fuel and make 2025 our best year yet. So go ahead and take actions on these steps and be back. And there you have it, the perfect groundwork set for 2025 through reflections that will make your 2025 master plan simplified. In the next video, we are going to talk about goal setting, habits that stick, and the vision board magic. Let me know in the comment sections below if this little reflection helped you, how did you feel, and which was the best step. And hey, if you're into self-love, self-care, productivity, then subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Let's crush 2025 together. Until next time, Life Hacks Pro signing off. Let me know in the comment sections below if this hit the subscribe button. Till next time, bye.